Prime Minister Narendra Modi and United States Vice President Kamala Harris presented a friendly front before cameras at their first in-person meeting, pledging that the two countries would work together on global health, climate and security issues. Meeting the challenges of climate change, COVID and security in the Indo-Pacific through Quad were among the publicly identified issues for cooperation, as the two principals spoke for 15 minutes in front of journalists but took no question. Prime Minister Modi spoke warmly about Kamala Harris's victory in the US elections and invited her to India so that Indians could also celebrate her victory. He lavished praises on the new administration, saying that President Biden and she had taken up the charge of the US at a challenging time and had already notched up some successes in a short period of time. He also mentioned her work heading the US Space Force and said that it was a subject of his interest too, and that the two countries should work together. Harris was less effusive personally, but she too talked up the bilateral relationships and her family ties with India. As both the leaders wheeled out familiar cliches about the world's largest and oldest democracies working together, Harris especially spoke of the danger to democracy across the world and the need for all the countries to work to preserve democracy both at home and abroad, by an implicit criticism of right-wing extremism in both India and the United States.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.